Fellow citizens, healthcare professionals, and global partners, it is with great pride and pleasure that I invite you to the 8th International African Palliative Care Conference to be held right here in Gaborone at the GICC from the 23rd to the 26th of September 2025. This landmark gathering will bring together thought leaders, practitioners, and advocates from across Africa and beyond. All these united by a shared commitment to ensure that no one suffers needlessly and that every person is treated with dignity, compassion, and care. Palliative care is not a luxury, it is a human right. In Botswana, we have made bold strides to integrate pain management and patient-centered care into our health systems. Initiatives like the Pain Free Initiative have shown us what is possible when we invest in education, empower healthcare workers, and listen to the voices of those we serve. This conference is more than an event, it is a movement, a platform for innovation, collaboration, and action. Whether you're a policymaker, clinician, researcher, or community advocate, your presence will help shape the future of palliative care across our continent. As such, join us in Gaborone. Let us learn, share, and lead together towards a future where every patient receives the care they deserve and every provider is equipped to deliver it. Thank you so much. Ke a leboga.